Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video I am super stoked. We are unboxing the BoxyCharm for November. October was a really good box for me. I've been loving everything that I've gotten in that one, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about November. So if you're interested to see what stuff they sent, because I am dying to get into this box, then stay tuned and let's open it up. Okay, so BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and they have just recently upped their price. So it used to be $21, but now it is $25. And I am curious to see how November is doing, because I've heard nothing but good things about people's boxes. So let's open it up. And when you do open it up, you have a really nice reddish pink interior. And then you have the card. So before we get started, the version that I have is 7 with a heart. So that is my version. And the theme is stellar. That's cute. So here is a little pamphlet. And then on the inside, you get what you got in your box, along with information and the price. All right, so let's jump in. So the first thing I'm seeing here, this is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and this is a sample. So we got Light White Lies, which is fair, and then we have Top Toe Over the Line, which is light to medium, and then we have the Medium Ground, which is for medium, and then Midnight Mystique is rich. So this concealer is long wearing, medium coverage, velvety soft texture, flawless finish, great for all skin types, and vitamin infused moisture. So this is just a sample. It's not part of like the actual information in the pamphlet. So that's cool that they're sending out concealer samples. So I will definitely give this a try. I think for myself, I would be the medium one, just for my skin tone. And I guess I could go a little lighter and dive into the light to medium, maybe mix those. But I think the Midnight would be too dark, so I could probably use that as a contour shade, and the fair would just, yeah, that's just too light for me, but that's cool. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box, these are Starry Eyes self-warming eye masks, and this is by POPMASKS. So these are super cool looking. Wow, okay, so let's see. So by Pop brand, you get 2 sets of these Starry Eyes, and these self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support a restful sleep. Pop the loops around your eyes, sit back and relax. Wow. That is pretty cool. I have never tried a warming eye mask before, so I am super stoked to give this a try. And it says that it warms up in 30 seconds, so that is interesting. Now there are some warnings in here. So it says may cause complete relaxation and deep sleep, may ease migraines and tension headaches, may cause a feeling of refreshingness and waking. Do not operate anything whilst wearing your Starry Eye Pop masks. I have never tried this, so I'm super stoked. So if you guys have given this a try, let me know how you like it down below, but that already is really interesting. And the next thing, which I'm super excited about because I love Dose of Colors. So this is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Flirty, which I don't have, so that is fun. I just love their packaging as well. So this says our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, which I completely agree with. So I have about 4 other lipstick colors. Purple Rain is my favorite out of their entire line, but I do agree that they do go on like a cream, and then it dries down into a soft matte, and they are just absolutely beautiful. I love it. So let's give this a swatch on my hand, because I do not have this color. And okay, yeah, so this is a really nice like pinky tone nude. I would have to say. So I would definitely wear this maybe as an ombre or with a darker lip color, but I don't think I would wear this alone. But this is so, so pretty, and I'm excited that I got another one for my Dose of Colors lip collection that I don't already have. So that's great. And yeah, I'm super stoked about that. I love, love Dose of Colors. Love. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out of the box, this is by Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution, and this is a Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Okay. This is an eye treatment. I, again, have never tried this before, and it says it's formulated with organic ingredients. Okay. Give this an open and have a look. Oh, I like the packaging. Like, that's different. And that's different. Wow, like the wand is also different. Okay, so I guess it's just easier to apply because it just kind of, it feels like it would sit really nicely under your eye. Okay, that's cool. That is something different. Okay, so this says a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused with organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Wow, I am shocked. Like, this little bottle is $50. This little thing is $50, and you get 0.5 fluid ounces for $50. Wow. So I don't know if I'd ever repurchase this for myself, but if it does work, wow, I am super, super shocked. So yeah, cool. Wow, I'm just like $50 for 0.5 fluid ounces. So I'm excited to give this a try. I will put this in my daily skincare routine, and maybe I'll pop this into a few videos and we'll just see if it works. Okay, and next out of the box, which I think I've seen this in a few people's box, if not everyone's, which I'm super excited about, but these are brushes, and these are actually the BoxyCharm brushes, and I didn't know that BoxyCharm had their own brushes, but I guess they are starting to make their own. So yeah. Cool. So these look really interesting. So it's a black, kind of soft matte feeling, and they are both domed. So in the pamphlet, it says, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. That is so cool. So they have their own brushes, and it says BoxyCharm on the handle. As far as the bristles, they are really, really soft. Let's see. Oh yeah, bristles are soft. It is dense, so I think I could definitely use the bigger one as a good kind of overall foundation brush. And then this little one, if you like a heavy contour, I could see that working, and it has, if you're light-handed enough, it could definitely blend it out. I don't know if I'd use this as a concealer because it is just a little bit too chubby to be under my eyes, but we'll see what I can use this for. But definitely the big one will be a great foundation brush. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'll give these a good wash, and then we will add them into a routine, and they are going into my collection, so that's really fun. And the last thing that I'm pulling out of the box is an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Dominique Cosmetics, which I have never tried before, and the eyeshadow is called Celestial Thunder. That is super cool. Packaging is cute. Love it. So this says, the Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmetic story and bring the universe to life. That's so cute. I love the little write-ups that they write for products, and it wasn't packaged extremely well, but I am very pleased that my shadows didn't come broken or anything. But as far as the color range in here, I'm feeling it. This is definitely a palette that is up my alley, and I'm super excited. So let's give these a swatch because I need to dive into some swatches with this palette. Ooh, yeah. Wow. These are so so pretty. Oh, wow. So these are the swatches from the first row. So we're going to start by the lipstick. So that shade by the lipstick is called Eternal Light. And then we have Fireball, and then Black Matter, and then Zero Gravity. Like, look at the finish of those. So, so stunning. Okay, so these are the bottom shades. So starting with Lucid Dreams, and then Storm Dust. Next is Lunar Eclipse, and then Mystic Ice. So for these eyeshadows, for pigmentation on my skin tone, they are vivid, they are bright. The texture of these aren't so buttery. They're not like, you know, dripping, oozing, buttery soft, but they are comfortable as far as the texture, and I feel like they're just going to create such a pretty look. You can definitely do a fall look and also maybe a spring, summertime look, a winter look, so I'm really excited to dive into these palettes. Okay, so that completes my unboxing of the November BoxyCharm, and I am again very pleased, very impressed, and I'm excited. I love boxes to just get me excited about beauty items, and even though this is like such an expensive product for the amount, I'm still excited to try it out. Again, not sure if I'll ever repurchase it, but at least I can give something new a try. I am so stoked. So let me know what you think of the items that I got in the box, and if you are doing a BoxyCharm on your personal channel, please let me know, because I would love to go and check out your video and see what you got. Again, I got the version 7 with a heart. So that's all I have for this video. So thank you so much for staying tuned with me and just spending a unboxing moment with me. And if you're new to my channel, I do appreciate you stopping by and just hanging out with me. Please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post new videos to my channel. And that is all I have, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.